In this video, I will share 3 tips that will help your workflow with the DJI Mini 2 tremendously. You will probably dig up these 3 tips by plowing through the manual, or you could decide to watch this video to the end and see them demonstrated in real life. Welcome to another video. I'm Henrik Olsen, and if you want to learn how to make better videos with your camera and drone in general, then consider subscribing to my weekly tips, tests and tutorials. Many of you have done that lately, so I'm really stoked to see the growth of the tech drone media community. Have you already decided to get the DJI Mini 2? Then simply skip this video and jump to the description where I've included purchase links for US, Scandinavian and rest of Europe. So you know the situation, you have been out flying and you simply just want to share this fantastic video clip that you recorded to social media right away. And what DJI has done, they have introduced a new function on the drone that is called QuickTransfer, and I will show you how that works. With QuickTransfer, you can transfer the footage and the images that you have located on the drone directly to your smartphone without the need to enable the controller. I would assume this is the low energy Bluetooth integration that they put in here, which I also mentioned at some point. So the way that it works is that you need to fire up the drone first with the new and I would also launch the DJI Fly app. And then the LED that's located towards the back of the drone, that's also a push button. So if I push that, the drone will create a hotspot and automatically connect to the DJI Fly app. So now it turns blue, starts blinking. And what will happen here is that you will see a dialog pops up here where you're being asked to connect. So just press here, join the network. And then in a second we get access to the footage that's located on the drone. Like that. And I press view album. So then it jumps directly into the album of the drone. So let's find some footage that is suitable for downloading. I have a nice clip here where I demonstrate the zooming capabilities of the drone. So I can decide to download this clip. So if I press here, I have 2 options, full download or I have trimmed download. You have probably recorded way more footage than you are about to share. So it's a really useful feature, which is the second tip that I want to share with you, that you can trim down whatever that you will download from the drone. And you can see here, I have the timeline here. So let's see. So I just scroll to a point where I want to start. And then I single tap on this crop icon. Then I can simply drag the timeline like this onto the point where I want to end it, like that. So I have this clip and right now I'm going to download it. So I get the option to decide if I want the original resolution 1080p or if I want to reduce it to 720p. So let's just, for the sake of it, keep it as a 1080p. Let's press download, see how fast it goes. So now that the clip has been downloaded and I get all the nice options here to share it to social media. So the third tip is related to the zooming capabilities of the drone. You might already have heard that it's possible to do zoom with the Mini 2. And right now, let me just demonstrate the base functionality, which is also covered in a video that I have just recorded yesterday, where I'm going to, like a first flight video, where I'm going to show you all the features and bells and whistles that you get with the drone. But there was an additional tip that was not included in that video. And that was the way of handling the zoom capabilities of the drone. As you see right now, you have this option. You have a 1x located next to the record button, and if I press that, you can see I can switch between 1, 2 and 4 times zoom. There's also another way of doing this, is to sort of go up and down here, so you can do like seamlessly zooming in and out. But this seamlessly zooming is a little bit annoying because it happens on the screen. There is actually a third way to handling the zoom that is way smarter. And on the courtesy of droneopgaver.com that wrote on the video that I released yesterday, which is a DJI Fly app complete walkthrough tutorial, that you can actually use the function key here by pressing down the function key and rocking the gimbal wheel here in the back. You can seamlessly zoom back and forward. How smart is that? So I can go to from ×1 to ×4. So that's very nice, and I can probably do it while I'm filming as well. That's a lot easier than fiddling around on the screen. So those were the 3 tips that I wanted to share with you guys. The first one was the quick transfer, where you can transfer footage directly from the drone to the smartphone without the use of the remote. The second tip was that you can trim the download, so in case that you are on the field and you want to share a part of the video that you have recorded, you will simply take that part and only transfer that part to your phone. The third tip was that you can use the function button and the gimbal wheel to control the zooming capabilities of the Mini 2. Do you have additional tips that you have discovered with the Mini 2 that you want me to demonstrate in a future video and maybe give you a shout out? Then let me know in the comments below. Have you decided to get the Mini 2 yet? If so, and you are from Denmark, then I will highly recommend that you buy it from Droner.dk. They are such awesome guys, always up for a chat if you stop by their shop in Copenhagen. They also have a workshop that can help you fix almost any drone problem that you will encounter. You should definitely go and check those guys out through the description below. Are you all crazy with Mavic Mini 2 material and can't simply get enough of this new drone? Then I compiled a playlist for you with all the videos that I've been making over the past few days. I will be expanding this playlist over the next coming weeks with a lot more content, also with comparison against the original Mavic Mini 1. You can access this playlist through this card. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.